Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your Earbuds Cellularline FLICK from your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now you need to locate your headphones at the audio line, and right here I have them. You can also check at other devices, especially if you just pair them with the PC. Now press on them and click Remove at the right side. But if you want to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but leave them at the device list to reconnect your earbuds in the future, you need to select Disconnect. But let's remove them. So remove, and if you have Windows 10, after remove, click Remove Device. Now put your earbuds to the charging case and close the case. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.